Buccal fat pad removal involves debulking the fat within the cheeks by removing the buccal fat pad. So in general, we want volume in our malar region, which is our upper cheek, but we don't want extra fat and volume in our lower cheek. And the majority of fat that makes up our lower cheek is the buccal fat pad. That fat pad can be accessed from the inside of the mouth and removed through a small incision on the inside of the mouth. Removing the buccal fat pad will make the cheeks look smaller and thinner, and that's basically what a buccal fat pad removal is. It removes volume. So if you want to feel your face, your cheekbone, if you feel your cheekbone, which is your zygoma, the fat and volume below your cheekbone is your buccal fat pad. So above your mandible and below your cheekbone, that's your buccal fat pad, and a significant amount of that volume can be removed through an incision on the inside of your mouth, and that's called a buccal fat pad removal, and it serves to make your cheeks look less chubby. So if you're interested in buccal fat pad removal, you can send us a virtual consult and I can take a look at your photos and determine whether or not I think it would be of benefit to you. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.